Those are the schools. MEC, you will see the variation. When you talk of top schools, in every segment, you will have a special school. You will have a township school. You will have a town school. You know, it is no more, you know, the privilege of only the ex-Model C schools. Now, let's just quickly, and I want to close, let's just quickly go to the commitments for us. Yes, you can stop it. Just go back. Yes. MEC, Major, we are not the district that is doing well only academically. That's why we have seen our learners doing this masterpiece here. Right? Last year in October, the minister awarded us for being, you know, the highest performing district, which is serving up to 400 schools, the #1 position. You know, the best performing district when it comes to bachelors from 2018 up to 2022. We are in the top 3 in the country when it comes to maths and science. Major, maths and science, your district is in the top three. And then therefore, for the last 6 years, we are a top performing district above 85%. We can just quickly now go to the National Teachers Award. MEC, National Teachers Award, last year there were 14 categories, we took 6. As we speak now, the top district in Mzansi, in South Africa, of the 75 districts, when it comes to the National School Nutrition Program, is yours truly, Motheo Education District. We are the reigning. Let's just say in closing, there's no one leader in the district, MEC, Major. There's no one leader, we're all leaders. And hard work is our lifestyle. We don't accept mediocrity among ourselves. MEC, all our schools, MEC, when you attend the minister's announcements of results, we want to contribute 5 learners who should be in the top 30 in the country. Comtech here in Mangaung showed us in 2022, they contributed 2 learners in the top 24. Therefore, we can better that in the debate. We want to do, our principals have said, no, we are closing down the underperformance village. We don't want any underperforming school, right? MEC, this is our commitment, to you. Executive Mayor, this is our commitment. And in closing, and then I really want to celebrate Team Motheo MEC, their hard work. Their hard work, their dedication. Despite circumstances, despite what we are confronted with, we focus on the ball, we don't fail our learners. And as a leader of the district,